Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the electric border cube effect in CapCut PC. So select your photo or video you want to edit and go to effect, and then you can select the electric border. So you can find this electric border in the uh, spark video effect. Here's at the track just for the duration in the same length. And after that you can select the clip and right click, select create compound. So click the clip, go to animation and select combo animation and looking for the cube. So there are cube 2, cube 3, 4, 5. So for instance, I'm select this cube 5 and here we go. So I'm so sorry. Yeah, there are noise in my video, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.